Hello, this is the recording for week 7. This week in the discussion, you're talking about things that are interesting in the course, ask questions about the final project. Initial responses due Wednesday, 3 by Sunday. No APA reference required this week since we will be discussing options about the course. Do not forget you need to participate during the week, and there is a grade on the discussion. For week 8. Please do not post until Monday of week 8. No replies are required for week 8. The final grades will be available on Wednesday of the final week. The final project is due Sunday. The first thing you're going to do is open the business template from Word. So in your assignment, you see the business template. When you open it, you want to enable it so you can edit it. You're going to put your name and address here, and you want to add a title. You can make that up. The date, the recipient's name. Now, it doesn't give her name or his name, so you can make that up. But the title was Vice President of Marketing. And you need to fill in all the parts, and then you're going to type in here what you find in the sales projection. So when you open this PDF, you're going to type in all this. And what happens, but you don't want that insert table or insert chart. Then you're going to have sincerely and then your name and your title. So I've done a little sample here so you can see. Now there are 2 errors in the content of this. So in this section, there are 2 grammar errors that you need to correct. So read it over until you find them. And that's what you have to do to correct those. Do not include the sales data, so you don't want to type in this stuff. This all goes in Excel, not in the letter, because you're going to create it in Excel, and then you're going to transfer it over. So then you're going to create the table and chart in Excel. Excuse me. So I've typed in the table. I did the title and merged it. I did the headings and the quarters. Now if you do it the way it shows on the projection, with quarters with the numbers, it's not going to work out for you on your chart. So you need to separate them. So you have quarters and then you have the dollar amounts. Then you're going to highlight everything but the title. You don't highlight the title. You just the headings, the quarters, and the dollar amount. Go to the Insert menu, click on the line chart, pick the first one. You do not have to worry about moving it. Click on the chart title and name it Sales Data. Now you'll see the headings and you'll see the quarters. That's what I'm looking for. I will be checking to make sure you have everything correct in Excel, not in Word. So you have to make sure your numbers are correct, your headings are correct, and your chart is correct in the Excel document. Next, you're going to copy the table, the whole table, copy it, go to your Word document, and oops, that's not the one. And then where you were supposed to put the table, you go Paste Special. Would you click that little arrow, go to Paste Special, choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object, and click OK. And you'll see, let's move it over. I don't know why it won't let me move it over. Alright, so before we do that, Let's left align this first. And for some reason it won't left align. We're going to have to make it 0 indents. I don't know why it's wanting to indent it. So we want that the same with this. So we want it left aligned, and then we'll copy our table again. Oh, it's already copied. So then we go back and we'll paste special, choose worksheet object. Hopefully it'll work this time. Yeah. Now you'll see that it looks exactly the way it does in Excel. You're free to choose whatever colors and font you want, but I want to see that it looks like it does in Excel. And I prefer that you not copy mine. Then go back to Excel, highlight the chart, copy, go back to Word, put your cursor where you need to, click Paste Special, and this time you choose Microsoft Excel Chart Objects. And you'll see that it puts it in there really big. You can size it. And it's okay if it's on the second page because it's going to be anyway. You're going to have 2 pages. So you can size it however you want. It looks like it does in Excel. And then you're going to make sure your name is down there. And that's how you paste special. And that's what you need to do for this project. Let's go back. Okay, I just went through and showed you each of these. And then you're going to save it into the IS102 folder, the week 7 folder. Make sure you have them both in there. Then you're going to right click the week 7 and send to compressed. And then when you do that, you'll have a little week 7 that has a zipper, and that's what you're going to submit for this project. Now I created a checklist to show you exactly what I'm looking for, and I will post that with the recording so that you'll know. It's worth 200 points and you need each thing. Now make sure you name it according to the instructions, which says business sales letter, first name, last name for the letter, and business sales data, first name, last name for the Excel spreadsheet. You need to turn them both in. If you only turn in one, you'll only get partial credit. So that's what you need to do. Now let's see. Do I have anything else? I don't think so. Oh, just submitting it as week 7 folder. And that's all I have. It's really not that difficult. This should not be that hard for you to do compared to week 4. So if you have any questions, please let me know.